Welcome to the Hard Research channel. Today I'll show you how to search items using Google Lens on your ZTE Blade A36. Usually you have a Google widget right here, and here is the Google Lens button. Allow to use your camera. You can select it from gallery. Click Allow All. Select the picture you want to search for. Just like that, you can search using your camera. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Hard Research channel for more videos. Leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.